Hey everybody, Frank and Carrie coming to you from the Mooreland House.
Hey, welcome back.
Pay no attention to what's going on behind us. But that's a pretty big jackhammer we got there.
Yeah.
It's amazing some of the things that we
Had to dig
think
out
is
of
an
this
easy
yard.
project, but that's for another video.
Yeah, it took us a while.
We're a DIY couple that won a foreclosure auction for a little old house. And we're fixing it up. It was in pretty bad shape.
And she's doing much better now. Long way to go, but much better.
But we appreciate you being here.
We do.
What do we got today?
This week we are back in the powder room area, and we are actually putting in some floor joists.
We've done that before, though.
We have. But
not in this area.
Not in this area. This is going to end up being a floor that we have never walked on. Crawled across maybe, but never walked on.
Yeah. Alrighty. Welcome to the video. Have a great time watching.
Thanks for watching.
What you got there, Bubby?
Joist hanger.
That's a very different looking joist hanger.
The tabs are on the inside instead of the outside. For the end of the board. Because I don't have enough room to nail a tab on the outside.
Okay.
So you gotta nail the tabs on the inside. So you have room for it.
Okay. I had never seen one of those before, so pretty cool.
Now you have.
Now I have.
Feel better?
Uh-huh. Thanks. Frank got a new little toy.
Palm nailer. Because trying to nail in these hidden joist fastener things, no.
Not gonna happen?
Not even close.
Makes a really cool noise. Kitten doesn't like it though. Ta-da!
Now we're gonna see how this does 3.5 inch screws.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh. Yeah. He's got his hearing protection in.
It's because it's really loud.
Yeah, it is very loud.
Your end in.
Just a second. We probably did it last time. Okay.
Don't let go of it.
I'm not.
Now is it tight against your side?
No.
How much do we have to go?
You could at least come back a quarter to a half inch. Okay, we got this end secured, and that side is in, and Frank's getting ready to secure it. Now we've got to, we just temporarily put that up yesterday just to get it in place, sorta. Now, Yeah, ish is right. So now has come the time that we need to square it up.
Oh, baby, baby, baby.
Looks pretty cool though.
My baby, baby, baby.
We almost got the frame done. I mean, really.
That is true. And a permanent
Frame.
termite shield.
Yes.
Not spraying for termites, not doing this, not doing that. They can't chew through 18 gauge galvanized steel. They just can't.
They would be super termites.
They haven't evolved that much yet.
No. Why work for it when they can get easier food elsewhere?
Correct.
And we also sugar bond the ends so they don't wick up any moisture. That helps too. There's just so many inches you can squeeze out of stone. Ready for another one. What's you doing?
I've never tried this before, but people seem to have good luck with it. To use the joist hangers, they attach something to the top of their joists, and then set it down and it stays on top of the joists, and you don't have to hold it flush. So we're gonna find out if it works for us.
I hope so. These are just cabinet hand screws.
Yeah, I just did them for the bigger head.
Yeah.
And once again, a different head fastener thingy. So now when that sets on a thing,
It should
we don't
hold.
have to try to make sure it's flush with the top, and our floor is gonna be perfect.
Good.
Perfectly level.
Perfectly level.
Nothing could go wrong. You don't. Alright, I got it. Keep going. Drop it in.
There's no.
What? There's no what?
It can't go. You have to go further back.
Come this way and then drop it in. Easy.
Okay. That made it much nicer. Said that made it much nicer. That's a handy dandy little trick.
Home now.
Yep,
Get loud.
I know it does. Okay, we got another one in place. And I was commenting to Frank, whoever came up with this idea about putting that wood on top was genius.
I bet it wasn't DIY people who just do this every once in a while. But it's somebody who does it a lot and went, I know a better way.
But that makes it much easier to get everything where it's supposed to be.
Can you get the big crowbar? Oh, it's outside.
I'll go get it.
And push on the bottom of this?
Yeah. Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah.
Got a couple of them in there. That's awesome.
Good. Jen, you want?
Where's the line?
There is some. Just get it about 2 feet from the end over there. I have it until you get up there. Get on the other side. No, this is good. After you don't use this like this, you're just gonna guide it and hold it.
Right.
You got it like that on top.
Okay.
Just hold it straight up and down. Now bring it back towards the feet. Okay. Don't pull it or anything.
It gives you an idea of what it's going to look like. We're pretty excited about this.
It's not level yet.
No, it's not level. We'll take care of that, but right now just getting it in is pretty.
It's not level yet because I need to figure out where the finished floor has to be. Because we're building this house in reverse.
Oh, that's true.
You're supposed to build the floor, then do the walls, then finish the walls, then do the trim.
Yeah.
So our trim's already on, and we're trying to get the thingy, the finished floor, to fit right under the base trim.
So, and he's talking about the trim. You can see the trim right there, right above that middle. Cool. We're getting a whole bunch of them marked so we can set a whole bunch in since they're all the same length.
Bought extra.
Yeah, nothing wrong with extra.
Because I didn't plan on taking this big off. By the time I added everything up, I'm gonna have a lot of blockers.
Well, we're getting prepped to put all of those in. They're all the same length, and they are going in to go in as floor joists underneath the powder room area. So Frank's getting things marked so that we can just pop them in and go. And it's pretty exciting. This is a pretty good permanent fix. This is what, about 300 square feet, Frank, you said? So that's a good chunk of flooring.
Putting up joists. The floor's next. I guess this is a component of the floor.
It is. A pretty major component. I mean, just think about what the floor used to look like in our little 2x4 wall that we had right where we were standing. And
That wasn't a wall. Those were just posts.
true, holding up what was left of the floor.
There wasn't much left of the floor.
No, there was not. We are making some progress.
It's all about progress.
It is all about progress. But it's exciting.
Looking different?
Yes. It just, there are no words. I know most people are like, they're just floor joists, but this is an amazing thing. Are you girls enjoying the sunshine? Huh? Are you girls enjoying the sunshine? Does it feel good? Oh. Yeah. Mia. Mia. Are you enjoying the sunshine, Mia? Minnie? Silly girls. Watching the birds fly by.